everyone, today I'm doing something a little different and I'm gonna actually talk through a pick that I'm working on. I know this was requested in some of my other videos and usually I just do videos with music, so we're gonna try it today on this video. Today I am gonna be working on an ABA, if I can get that to zoom, ABA 11 pin Dimple Lock that was gifted to me in a purchase that I made. It's just a cam lock, quarter turn. We are gonna try and get this open. So I'm gonna be using a few different picks here. Let me see if I can get this zoomed in. Perfect. And we're gonna start on the side pins. I'm gonna use a mixture of the custom dimple pick I made. Nice click on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4, 5. It's binding. Can't really feel 5. I'm going to use the back side of this flag. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm going to reset this. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. There's the full set. I'm going to use a monkey paw and 25 thousandths. Pick the top. Another one, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. There we go. And I got the open. Perfect. Well, if you guys enjoy the talking through the pick more, let me know in the comments. Other than that, thank you guys for watching.